Hello, hi. Today's video is about one thing you don't know about this trading app, Moomoo by Futu. Moomoo by Futu has been ever popular in Singapore. But when it comes to option trading, I would like to bring up this one issue that happened to me on the 16th of July. What happened was, on 16 July around 11 PM-ish, I bought some SPY put options to day trade. As you can see here, is a SPY 433 put expiring on the day itself. And what I have before you here are the particular put option price around 2 AM, 3 AM and 4 AM. It shows the option fluctuates up and down in price. Please do not be bothered by the details, yeah? The put option price or whether if I make profit or loss. It doesn't matter here. What matters or the issue here is, if you can see, at around 2 AM, Moomoo closed the options for me at around 2 AM, about 2 hours prior to market close. I repeat, I did not close the option. Moomoo closed the option on my behalf at 2 AM, about 2 hours prior to market close. I did not find out until about 3+, as at that time I was actively trading on another platform, which is Thinkorswim, because it was an exciting day for me. When I found out about 3+ on the Moomoo app, I immediately called and emailed Moomoo, and I asked, of course, why does Moomoo close my put option at 2 AM? And after a bit ding dong here and there, Moomoo got back to me saying all system will trigger margin call at 1 AM Singapore time, and notification is sent to the account since 1 AM, and Moomoo asked me to visit this link below, which I did. And after I read and I agreed to almost everything. For example, yes, I bought the puts on margin, meaning I did not have hundreds of thousands to stand by to exercise and buy the put options if it goes in the money. And also, to be fair, my particular put option is close to in the money at around 2 AM. But then if not in the money, I bought the puts for what the fish. But I did not find out any line about Moomoo will trigger margin call at 1 AM and will close my options at 2 AM. Being a smart aleck myself, of course I got back to them and I suggested, hey, why not you trigger margin call at 10 PM and close my position at 11 PM? For sure it'll be much easier, right? Kidding, joking aside, I just simply asked them, where can I find the 1 AM and 2 AM thingy in your rules? Without fail, Moomoo got back to me and highlighted again the same exact thing that I just read for you. So, now ladies and gentlemen, do you want to trade options using Moomoo?